Hi everyone, and welcome to another property tour with Pelican Property Management Services. My name is Felix. I am the broker owner and your local expert for all things long-term rentals here on the beautiful Gulf Coast. I am excited to show you around this fantastic rental located at 908 Bartow Avenue here in the Pensacola area. This one is near in the Perdido area, particularly. Probably about 15-20 minutes on average to the front gate of NAS Pensacola. If you look this way, that is Gulf Beach Highway that runs that way. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It is pet friendly, and let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so as soon as you enter the property, you'll be entering the property. You'll be greeted by nice and open living area right here. All right, we'll go this way. So it's nice and bright, plenty of room. Go over here. Kitchen, nicely updated. Stainless steel appliances, plenty of room. Go out back really quick. So there's a covered patio area right here. Once again, the property is pet friendly, and there is a really nice and large fenced in backyard. So it's fenced in all the way around. Alrighty. Go back. So the property does have washer and dryer hookups, but they are not included. But there are washer and dryer hookups. As we enter back inside, once again, it's 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. Plenty of extra closet space here. And then we missed this earlier. Nice coat closet there. This is going to be bedroom number 1. Get an idea of the space. Okay. We're going to go into bedroom number 2. Space. And we're going to go across. First, closet here. We'll cross over to the primary. Space, closet here. Okay, and the primary does have its own full bath. There's a walk-in shower there, and then the 2 bedrooms and your guests would share this bathroom here. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour today. I really do hope you enjoyed seeing everything that 908 Bartow Avenue has to offer. If you have any questions or would like to apply for this home, please feel free to call me or text me directly at 850-417-3247. And if you're a property owner looking for help managing your rentals, Pelican Property Management Services is here for you. You may also give me a call at 850-417-3247 to find out how we can make your property management experience a whole lot easier. Thank you for watching.